So what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting in Excel changes the appearance of cells based on specific conditions. These conditions are rules based on numerical values or matching text. Conditional formatting can help you highlight important information in a dataset, detect issues, emphasize anomalies, visually analyze data. Conditional formatting makes it easy to highlight certain values or make particular cells easy to identify. This changes the appearance of a cell range based on a condition or criteria. You can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain values which meet a certain condition. Let's go to the example. Here you can see a table that has 4 columns and a number of rows. So let's see if we select this data. So we're selecting a range of cells and we want to find out the numbers that are more than 5,000. So we want to highlight those numbers. So we click on conditional formatting and click highlight cell rules and greater than 5,000, and whenever it finds the value that is more than 5,000, it will fill it with yellow fill with dark yellow text. And then if you click on OK, you can see that it is highlighting all the um, data that has more than 5,000 in the value. Suppose you want to change it uh, to a different criteria or condition. So you select the data, click on conditional formatting, and you can select less than 4,000. So if it is less than 4,000, it will show as a red text, or no, we will have light red fill. So we just click on OK, and as you can see that it is showing all the values that we have specified. So let's go to manage rules, and you can see that the cell value, if it is less than 4,000, it will be a different format, and if the cell value is greater than 5,000, it will be a different format. So in this way you can actually highlight the data and make the data visually very easy to understand. Let's look at a new rule. So we select from January to December, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and equal to, let's say we want to highlight AUG. So whenever you're writing it, you can see that it is like showing the August in light red fill with dark red text. So you can select the formatting and then click on OK. So this is very easy to use, and you can use conditional formatting to make the data visually appealing and very understandable. So hope you like this video, and stay tuned to get the new next videos.